Hey guys, King Bandit back here, and today I'll be showing you how to screen record on your Switch without actually having to screen record. Obviously, as you know, some software on Nintendo Switch requires you to use a capture card to save and post or stream your videos. Or like some software, you can't really capture it because saying videos cannot be captured for the software. So I'll be showing you how to. So basically, you just can get like a phone camera and you have to angle it perfectly. As you can see here, like I'm actually not actually screen recording. This is just me recording with my phone and it looks perfect, right? So here's how you're supposed to do it. So you probably want to get like a pillow or something and put it like between the phone. If you can see the glare on the Nintendo Switch screen, you can see the pillow right there. So you want to line this up perfectly, and it will record. And it looks like you're actually recording or screen recording. It actually works. So you can actually just live stream. You just have to adjust it a bit and make sure you don't really show outside your room with the pillow outside. As you can see here, I got like 2K opened right here. I just played 2K and it looks really real. So that's how you can do it. That's just the way I've been doing it for a while. So I hope this helped you. So please like and subscribe. Bye bye.